All right, so let's take a look at some of these keyboards. This first keyboard preset we got is our 12 AM in LA, and let's take a look at how that sounds. So you can see you can make some very good R&B with that one. Let's check out some more of our keyboard presets. We got the Ghost Mark. Completely different feel. Completely different feel. We got the regular Mark 1. So you can see these piano sounds are highly professional. They're you're definitely gonna want this preset pack. Now this keyboard sound is called Nightmare on Florin Road. It's for R&B, but it can easily be turned into some trap. All right, so next you got this press up keyboard. Definitely can be used for R&B. Or we can go trap with it. So you know these keyboard sounds will get you where you want to go in your productions. We got this last one, Time Machine. I believe this is the last keyboard sound. Oh no, we got a couple more. We got a couple more. Let's listen to this Time Machine. So beautiful. That takes you back in time. It's pretty sad. Come on now, that takes you straight back in time. All right, now next, let's look at our Candy. Ooh, such a beautiful futuristic sounding keyboard. See what else we get with this. You're gonna want that Candy keyboard preset.